Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Wix.com for a while now in 2026 and you just realized that you want to actually access that email marketing. Well, email marketing is one of the best ways to reach your audience. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually use it. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, you should open your Wix dashboard. You're gonna tell me how would I do so even though you have an account and all of this. So all you're gonna do is open your device, everything's looking good, you are connected to the internet, tap on your favorite browser whatsoever, go and look for Wix.com, tap on this website, it will take you to another panel where you should just log in, use your normal email address and password. It may be a Gmail or basically it depends on you. As for now, I'm gonna select my website. After logging in, I'm selecting the first website. So I can actually access the email marketing. Well, you should be able to see this page here. It's basically the dashboard. I'm gonna go all the way to this marketing place, then tap on email marketing. Then I'm gonna wait for some seconds till this fully opens and everything. As for now, choose a template. Select a pre-made email template. Then customize your email. Edit text, images, buttons, branding if you want to as well. You can also start from scratch if you want to. Just tap start from scratch from here and you're gonna start basically from zero. Then after all of this customization, select the receipts. Choose contacts, subscribers, or even segments, it depends on you. You can also do a small preview and test it. Send a test email to yourself basically and see if it's fully working. You can also send or schedule. Send immediately or maybe schedule it for later. And that's it. That's the important part of all of it. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.